Hello, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new leads from Google Lead Form to Worksection. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new leads from the Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, in Worksection you can create new tasks, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select one of the sources from which you want to receive new data. In this case, choose Google Lead Form. Now you need to select the system where you want to transfer new leads from the Google Lead Form. In this case, choose Worksection. At this stage, we need to connect the Google Lead Form account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give a name to this account or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Now we copy the URL for receiving data and go to the Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Ads Assets section and go to the Assets section. Now select the necessary lead form from which we want to receive new leads. In the lead form settings, go to the Integrations section. Paste the copied URL. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After that, click Send Test Data. Next, click Save and return to your personal account, Save My Leads. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you need to connect your Worksection account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you must specify the API domain and API key. To get them, go to your Worksection personal account. We copy the domain from the address bar without additional characters. Next, you need to specify the API key. In order to get it, we return to the Worksection personal account. Next, go to Profile Settings. Then go to the Security tab. Now activate Admin API. After that, click Show API Key. Specify the password for your Worksection personal account. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Next, you need to select a project in which new tasks will be created for each new lead from the Google Lead Form. Now you see the Worksection fields to which you can assign from the Google Lead Form. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. If you are satisfied with the preset fields, you can leave it unchanged. You only need to specify the owner and assign to. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also manually enter values. After all the settings, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Worksection as new tasks for each new lead from the Google Lead Form. If something does not suit you, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Worksection. After successful submission, go to Worksection and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from the Google Lead form to be instantly transferred to Worksection as new tasks, you need to enable Auto Update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do it in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.